Alright guys, so today I'm going to be unboxing a very special gift that I received from a very special friend, Johnson Toe. He's been subscribed to the channel for a very long time. He sent me a package. I already know what's in it, but hey, I don't want to spoil the surprise. So I'm going to open it up and share with you guys right now. So thank you guys for watching another video of Urban Lifestyle, where our goal is to help you guys create a better life by creating better health and better wealth. And you guys can also help out by leaving a subscribe, leaving a comment, leaving a thumbs up. Find me on my Instagram and Twitter, Urban Lifestyle 1989. Links are also found in the description below. And don't forget to hit that notification icon so you guys can get future notifications of my future videos. Let's go.
I'm working for work, working for work.
Of the handwriting, it was awesome. My handwriting sucks, so let's go over here. Some people may know what's in here if they saw the video that he posted on his channel. He has a very good channel. I'll say everybody go show your support to him over there. There we go. Let's see what's in here. Oh man, this is the best packaging ever. The packaging is very beautiful. You can see he has this right here, JT coin rings. Very beautiful. So he specializes in making coin rings. There goes his flyer right there and some of his work. Very beautiful. Now definitely say subscribe to him. He also put this card in there. I'm going to read it to you guys later. Now I have a lot of respect for JT. As for someone I've never met before, this guy is honestly like a friend. I offered to pay him for it and he was like no, he wants to send it as a gift, and I offered him twice and he turned it down. If anything, show him your support. Go to his channel, subscribe, and all I can honestly say is thank you. Words alone can't show my appreciation. We can see it's a 1964 Kennedy $50. Very beautiful. He also gave me a piece on it too. The piece that he broke off to make the coin ring is very beautiful, and you can see it's funny because it's Kennedy's left or right ear is one of them. But it's very beautiful. Here is the actual ring. The details on it is amazing. All right, you can see the words right there. It's just nice. And when you look on the inside, it also shows you the 1964. It's just real amazing, like real beautiful. I'm gonna be wearing this all the time. Everywhere I go, I'm gonna have it on. It's very beautiful. You can see the edge is rigged. Like I said, words can't tell you guys how I feel about this gift right here. It's very special to me. Putting it on, it's a perfect fit. There's like, I'm just shocked. Like when I started this YouTube channel, I didn't expect something like this to happen, and just seeing from where I came and to where it's at now, it's just awesome. And all I can say is thank you, JT. I really appreciate it. And the note says, Eli, I appreciate the support and the inspiration to start my very own YouTube channel. In life, everything that we do can be showcased for others to follow. Take care, keep stacking, JT. This is awesome. Like, I really appreciate it. I really appreciate it. I don't know how else to say this. You know, all I can say is thanks. Appreciate it. I love it. Thank you so much.
That's why